नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड में से दो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट स्कोरिंग पोर्शन ऑल्सो। क्योंकि क्वांट्स में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसमें आपका बेसिक मैथमेटिकल और न्यूमेरिकल नॉलेज ही काम में आएगा। तो आपका अगर बेसिक मैथमेटिकल नॉलेज क्लियर है, मतलब कि क्लास 6 टू क्लास 10 की लेवल में जो मैथमेटिक्स होते हैं उसका नॉलेज अगर क्लियर है तो आप इस पोर्शन में अच्छे मार्क्स ला सकते हो और अपना जो टोटल मार्क्स है उससे भी बढ़ोतरी कर सकते हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और देख लेते हैं कि पहला क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है। If a, b and c are real and a square plus b square plus c square equals to 2 into a minus b minus c minus 3, then we need the value of 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Okay. So we are given that a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 2 into a minus b minus c minus 3. Now we can write it as a square minus 2a plus 1 plus b square plus 2b plus 1 plus c square plus 2c plus 1 equals to 0. Now we can write it as a square minus 2a plus 1 in a first bracket plus b square plus 2b plus 1 is also in a bracket, and lastly c square plus 2c plus 1 in a bracket. So we get 3 whole square formula. The first one is a minus 1 whole square, the second one is b plus 1 whole square, and the third one is c plus 1 whole square equals to 0. So a is equals to 1, b and c is equals to minus 1. Therefore, the value of 2a minus 3b plus 4c is 2a minus 3b plus 4c is 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1. So this reduces to 2 plus 3 minus 4. That means 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. Okay. So C is the right answer. Now let's take the next question. If the work done by x minus 1 men in x plus 1 days is to the work done by x plus 2 men in x minus 2 days are in the ratio 9:10, then what is the value of x? By the question, the total work done by x minus 1 men in x plus 1 days and x plus 2 men in x minus 1 days are in ratio 9:10. Therefore, we can write the total work done by x minus 1 men in x plus 1 days is x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by the total work done by x plus 2 men in x minus 1 days is x plus 2 into x minus 1, and this can be written as 9/10. So we get 10x plus 10 is equals to 9x plus 18, which is 10x minus 9x is equals to 18 minus 10. So x is equals to 8. Therefore, D is the right answer. So we have successfully solved the two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, its mathematical approaches to solve such questions, the mathematical approaches to solve this type of questions, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.saurasclases.com. Thank you very much.